some bullshit.
What?
Oh wait, I don't even know you. And you just
Well,
text me, hey.
you guys have common friends? Probably you guys have common friends. You said Tanisha was on your shit, huh?
Look what she's in there. What is...
Okay, cool.
Really, you just gonna text somebody like that and you never...
Well, she interested in for you to join her shit, so...
But, listen. In the other note, you do remember... I told you my cousin gonna come see me on the weekend, right?
Yeah, I remember that. Babe, you sure that's your cousin? That's really last minute that she's just popping up.
Yes, it is at the last minute, but at the same time, I thought she would come this afternoon. And then, I don't know, maybe she had a delay of happening, or I don't know, she just told me she's in the Uber now.
Babe, look at this. Isn't this pretty?
Look, somebody at the door.
Is that her already?
I don't know, who'll be the first?
You don't know. Let me go check. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
You can come in.
I thank you.
He's here. Oh, you can have a seat.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you? Everything's good? Come on, have a seat. Whoa, how was the flight?
Okay. Have fun.
See you later. What's up, not up to that?
So, ou pa di an pale deli non?
Petit, zon tan shit. Même moi, je si les papas me disent ça, les al fait test, you wear, les al bien bon, you c'est petit papa, so il y a un problème, je sais pas choisir idée.
Ou gen rezon fote kan kon sa fon ou gen Ameriken la dem tou?
Fuck, ils ont bien petit.
Sa gen la men.
De bien voyager?
Ah! Avyon telman fatige, m pat ka wè ki lè moun de tabi moun la men.
Ouf, nous n'avons pas pour nous parler. En tous les cas, de bien encore.
Va wase m chéri.
Je vais aller
Asa
passer.
wè bien wase la yi. Dim nan sa ke demen, ou bien posiri.
C'est ça.
Pi lè sem bien ou ki pou yi.
Comment tout bien?
Pi ta la, posem daba nou chom nan yi, pou salon wou li.
Peut-être que tu vas nous parler.
Mè ok?
What in common avec la même, non?
Ah, moun nan ben moun de abiti. Mwen chéri sove m sove an ba korona ka, ou de ka perdi mwen.
Attends, vous prenez un corona sur New York, venez ici avec Florida.
Ou gane mwen moun mwen ta foto chéri.
Allez, je vais piquer un film, ok?
Mè ok, ma wè tan nou mi?
Ah, ma finish.
Dako chéri. Mda baka bon fèm desan vin Florida pou vin fèm nan diskisyon dan kay sala non? Mdan de ou sel, mon go dam bien grande la vitim sel. Ma an di se bo kuis, ma wè tan ni tou.
Are you kidding me? You had your cousin come here and you just excuse me? That's not polite. How dare you?
Look, we have guests here.
Amia, sure? Who ya? Shh? That's not even polite. What a bomber clock?
What the fuck you saying? Spax. You know what? I'll talk to you later, man. I don't have time for that right now.
You know what? Do whatever you do. Fuck you too. Shit.
Sorry, Shay.
Chéri, ou apè nan an dan la ou sot wou tris, e mda do wè ma ve sot apre diskisyon. Sa nou gen men, dim nan chéri.
Why not, Shay?
Pas bon mentir chérie, on t'a dit toute discussion de ta fait. Ça va pas aimer femme tête moi, il pas veut venir.
Non, chérie, pas dit ça. Oh.
Non, depuis ce petit qui fait ici, il a toujours haï ça bon pile, même si au grand il haï ça. Et puis sur ça m'a pas aller non, et nèg moi me venir ouais, m'a pas aller. On essayer doit aider.
Hi.
Oh. Où est la chérie? On vient quand on va finir, ok? Oh. Hey, babe. You okay?
Not really.
What's wrong?
You still didn't explain what's going on from yesterday. You stormed out.
Really?
Yeah.
So I come here because
What?
look, man, I don't have time for that right now. So I miss you, man. I just want to make love to you. I don't have time to argue right now.
Alright, baby, I forgive you. Come here.
Whatever.
What do you mean, whatever?
Pourquoi il y a le dans le salon? Il faut te le faire. Moi, j'aime bien ce salade, oui. Comme chita, comme chita. Pourquoi tu as fait un peu de billet d'avion? Pour me sortir juste New York, je vais en Floride, je vais chercher un coupé. Je vais la perdre ma eau. Je ne comprends pas. Hey, ce serait crément lui faire sous lui, oui. Je vais faire checker dans la chambre, dans le là. What? Qui caca ça?
What the fuck? Why she didn't knock on the door?
Je te dis c'est solier. Hein? Ou femme ça juste New York payer billet d'avion fini? Ou dit qu'on vivre avec ça pour c'est pas solier vrai? Expliquez-moi non, parlez papa vicié. M'en parle avant.
What the fuck she saying? Why you ain't saying nothing?
Dites-moi madame, là je me fâche pas non parler anglais à personne. Moi gérer affaire nèg moi, fermez bouche qui me gérer affaire madame.
What the fuck is she saying? First she ain't knock on the door, no, she's saying all this bullshit that I don't understand. Take your damn out off your head.
Ah, c'est ça ferme, ou ferme petit d'avion, ferme vin là, et pourtant c'est dans cré ou te menim. Hein? C'est ça ferme churchill ou pas je m'entendre. Yo savoué là pour passer sur Facebook ou pas connaître yo. C'est vagabond saloué. On va pour malade moi aller. Merci en pile. Pas chambre les mon frère.
I knew that shit was not. I know she was not your cousin. But you keep telling me this bullshit. You know what? It's over. Fuck you.